felt like your vocabulary is holding you back in your communication, in your interviews, or even in your cracking your competitive exam? Well, because vocabulary is something that everyone has to increase it, because this is a subject or basically a part of English language that need to be understand in order to get into an high qualified rank in your life. Then this will make you a better version of yourself. In this today video, I'm gonna tell you that why you should start with Word Power Made Easy, a book, literally a book for Brahmash. This book will tell you that how with your etymologically way etymologically you can learn thousands and thousands of words with just learning their root words. And yes, that's an exact because Word Power Made Easy book by Norman Lewis is one of the best book that ever called, and it's also called a bible for your vocabulary. Because in any sort of exam, whether you are in SSC CGL, whether you are competitive exam like UPSC, or exams like CAT, CLAT, ALAT, CUAT, or any sort of law entrance exam, this book is for all of them, or even if you are not preparing for exam, even if you are someone who is a freelancer or something like, or from any of your education background, even the people of 9, 10, 11, 12, like this book is for everyone, and I would definitely recommend you to start with this. Now the thing is that, okay, and welcome to my channel. So in this today's video, I'm going to tell you that how Word Power Made Easy book will help you to start with your vocabulary journey, and you will definitely, I'll bet you will come across thousands and thousands of words with this book. Now in this today's video, I'm going to tell you that how you should read this book. Like everyone everywhere, you will heard from people, like from any sort of competitive exam, they'll tell you to read Word Power Made Easy book for your vocabulary, but none will tell you that how to read it. Now being honestly, this book is like very thick. This book is literally very tough. The vocab, the structure are like very high level. It's a pro version of Norman Lewis, and basically I'll make you a cup of tea for you. By the end of this video, you will fall in love with learning vocabulary. I'm gonna give you an easy way to learn through it, and I'm gonna tell you that, okay, I was also a person who didn't understand vocabulary and need to start it. I'm gonna tell you from my own personal experience that how this book gonna help you in every best way possible, with my own notes, that how I've made it with my own experiences, and also through getting into your daily life, that even if you are watching Netflix, any sort of web series, how you can correlate the things that are going around yourself, and it will love the way you will start your journey. A few tips and tricks that you won't find it anywhere, because people are not don't know that how to start with this book. Basically, now coming to this book, is that this book has 47 sessions in it, that is basically divided into three different parts, and each parts have a different level of vocabulary, and it's beautifully describing each chapter of it, that with a basic level. This book is not about a reading book like other English books like Renan Martin and all, but this book is basically a one-on-one, on-and-on conversation with the author. And it's like you have to get into the phase with how this book has been mentioned. Like you have to literally hold the pen, you have to go through exercises. Or the best part, what I like about this book is that in end of each and every session, they have added so many root words with it, that because this book is always in obviously in etymologically way, it means that learning vocabulary through your root words, and that has made a very best version of it. And this book has completed all the vocabulary from each and every part of your life, for scientists, lawyers, doctors, how to insult people, how like who used to lie a lot, how does the liars called, and not only that, but also of about the progression, each and every end of the session that have progression. And this book 17 to 19 chapters, and it will test you at each level, that how you have went through so many work. Now I'm gonna tell you that how to cover this book in a best easy way. Let me show you my notes, that how I'm preparing my notes for this, and you will love the way and it will make a piece of cake for you. Okay, so I don't have a great handwriting, but it's like so much that you will understand that what I'm trying to say to you with my own handwritten notes. And with this technique, trust me, this whole book I've transformed into this thin diary, and I'm still yet to explore because I'm just in part 1 of it. But I will tell you with my own technique that what has helped me with this to summarize this book in a very short version of it with my own notes. So basically, I used to maintain this content of it that tells about how and what chapters I'm going through, about personality types, about doctors, about various practitioners, and so basically, egoist and egotist, what is the word that has a different meaning, who basically and sounds similar. For example, egoist and egotist. So ego is the one who thinks about himself that he's better than other, और जो अपने आप को सोचता है, who is सबसे पहले among everyone. But in the other hand, egotist person are the one who basically, also I've used these sticky notes, like whatever words I have found, because these notes have become so messed, I added like spigomanometer. From this word also, it's come from two roots, like spigo means pulse or anything, and manometer, meter means basically a measurement. So with this, basically we can come to the conclusion that a instrument which is used to measure a pulse of a human being. So you can understand like how with these I have framed my entire notes in it, and this will basically help you to get into, I know it's kind of a mess because I know my handwriting is not great, but like this. And also I forget it one thing, that after each and every chapter you do the notes like this, or you can add it in your own best version of it. This was my way, so I have showed it to you. And another, that after each and every chapter that I have discovered it later on, I used to write root words after every section now. Like this section contains of 11 to 13, that whatever the root words the book has discussed in it, like n means insects, tomo means to cut, logi means to study, you can see, die means to, philan means love, honor means men, all those things that will help you to remember. Also, I've used these sticky notes, like whatever words I have found, because these notes have become so messed, I added like spigomanometer. From this word also, it's come from two roots, like spigo means pulse or anything, and manometer, meter means basically a measurement. So with this, basically we can come to the conclusion that a instrument which is used to measure a pulse of a human being. So you can understand like how with these I have framed my entire notes in it, and this will basically help you to get into it. Why to enhance vocabulary? So vocabulary, with enhancing vocabulary, you will not only learn the words, but also you will have a great confidence to have a communication skill, whether you are in your law field, whether you are a public speaker, or whether you are in your school, colleges, or any sort of freelancer, or you are in a process of writing articles or journey. Basically, building a vocabulary will enhance your confidence, have a nuanced level of problem solving skills. So vocabulary is a powerful tool. Now, why only word power made easy? Like there are so many books, but this is the best book. Why? Because this book will tell you in your etymologically way that how to read so many books. Okay, each level possible, and with your root word basically. So for example, there is a root word called which means other. Now with this word alter, you will get into a lot of words, like for example altruism, altruist, alteration, alternative, alter ego. Now you know what the most common thing in every word what I have told you right now was that alter means other. Now the 5 6 vocabulary which I have told you related to this book is that every word start with other. It means, for example, I've told you alternate means in place of other. Now coming to the another is that altercation basically means an verbal argument. Okay, then coming to altruist basically means a person who thinks about benefits of other. Now you will see that all the vocabulary are linked with each other and have a basic root word, that is alter. I'm giving another example, like for example, geo geo root words which means earth. Now with these you have so many words like geography, geology, geometry, geometrician, geographer, geography. All these words are related with earth. Like how with these learning one root word you have got a lot of books word. I'll give another example is that, for example, another word is gamus which means marriage. Now with this word you have so many words with it, like polygamy, polyandry, monogamy. Can you just find out, like by learning one root word, you have went through all of these word. But not only this, but also this book will tell you all the prefix and suffix, which means prefix means basically a word that comes before a word, and suffix means a word which comes after a word, like at the end of the word. For example, malpractice word, the prefix is mal. No, there are so many words जिससे पहले mal आता है. For example, malefactor, malnutrition, malfunction, malady, malasize, malignant. Now all these word, basically the prefix mal means bad, so all these word related to in a negative term, that is bad. So can you find out that how with learning one prefix you have went through all of this. Now for example, there I have told you so many words and you don't even know the word. Like for example, agar koi word you will get into a sentence, you know the basic root word, that is mal means bad. Now with using your common sense, you can get into an understanding of okay, what this particular sentence or in this particular paragraph this words telling you that. So this way your literally your journey of reading and comprehending it makes easy with learning root words, prefix and suffix in your vocabulary. These are the techniques that will enhance you to learn more and more words in a single day. Like this only, there are so many. I bet you'll find like across 500 root words with this particular book. And the best part is about that after each session they have repeated the same words so many times. Like after one chapter you'll complete one session, means one chapter has 3 sessions, 3 to 4 sessions. Like this you have 17 to 18 chapters, and after every one session you have 10 basic words, and another session they will give you the 10 words deeply, 5 to 7 words of each word. And basically the third session will contain you of how these all 3 sessions will pile up, make you a group of words, and with it will give you an exercise of it, that how you can solve it. It will also test you at each best level possible in a fill in the blanks form or in match the column form, or they will give you word like you know root words, they will give you prefix suffix in one column, and they will tell you to solve of how these particular words are pronounced. Like for example, psychology, so they have given you a beautiful way of list of words that have pronounced the technique they have pronounced. Like for example, psychology, so basically the word that is cho have been emphasized more in psychology. And like this only, they have given you an entire book full of not only vocabulary but also of way to pronounce words. Or I have went through entire book, but I have made this video because I thought that it's the best time to show it to you all, because the all the competitive exams are on their way. And anyhow नहीं भी तो नहीं, you will get an idea of how to at least start it, because by the time अगर मैं 3 महीने बाद ये वीडियो निकालती, like when the time I will complete this book, वो already 3 month खत्म हो चुके होते हैं. But out of for example, अगर 100 people are watching this video, उसमें से अगर 10 लोग भी अप्लाई करते हैं इस बुक को स्टार्ट करने के लिए अभी से सही तरीके से, तो नहीं भी तो नहीं 2-3 महीने में दे विल come to chapter 5 to 6 instead, in comparison to those who have started or they have not started the book. You can see. And even if you will not come with a vocabulary with your etymologically way, root words, prefix, suffix, nahi bhi to nahi, you will be ahead of those people who have not even started with the books. And ultimately you will having hundreds or 200s of vocabulary in your bucket list, in your vocabulary journey till then. So you can find out the thing that how this has been going. And I haven't yet still explored this book yet. Still there are 2 parts of it, and I will make it a second version of it, because I'm also maintaining a separate diary for it, for my vocabulary and everything. And also how you can implement it. For example, add examples, like जितना हो सके examples add कीजिएगा इस diary को. I've made it in a very chaos way, I know, but add it, and I'm still learning the notes, so I will add it in each and every level possible. And I still think that by the time I will finish with the book, I will have a lot more thing to share it with you all. So I will make a second video of it when I will finish this with this book. Maybe it will be 2 or 3 months, whatever it will take me. And also I have started this book earlier, but trust me, I have bought this book in class 12. And like as all other kids, I used to see people okay, they are buying this book, they are recommending this book for vocabulary. Trust me, when the day I started with this book, I was like, okay, first day I was in full excitement, I started with this book. But the second day, the third day, I'm like, oh my god, I have just exhausted, I cannot even go further, because the level of difficulty since then 2 3 times also I started with the book. 1 2 and 3 sessions, basically the 1 or 2 chapter of first, I have read so many times till yet that it has got into my head, you know. But still, just say you will get into step by step of the books, the level of difficulty will increase. And trust me, it's all about patience. Like without patience, you just cannot get into the book. And also, don't prioritize your learning or giving new chapters to your first level then in comparison to revision. Please keep your revision a priority. Like I have started with the latest chapter of it's about, I finished with the latest chapter, that is liars and lying. And trust me, after 2 days I opened my session and I was like, shit, I didn't even remember. Okay, root word yaad ho jate, but the words are very difficult to learn because the words are very expensive, the words are very high frequency word that makes unable to revise it. So the pattern to revise and recall and to remember is to just by revision. And how you will do it? Maintain a separate diary. Like trust me, you have to maintain your diary. Okay, I have so many diary like this, and I used to maintain all my notes and stuff because they are so durable, you know, like they are so ठोस. The notes will be preserved in your lifetime. And trust me, you don't buy any book, but do purchase this book. Or if you don't have the book, I will suggest you to definitely buy the book. Uske साथ, you know, you can have the session, you can have a practice session with it so that it will get into your head. And even if you don't have the book, I have the PDF, or you can get it online. You will get it available everywhere. Telegram channel, you can just find it out. But make sure to have a level of patience and consistency and give revision a priority. Trust me, it's February, and even if you start this book by the end of April, you will get into this book. Like trust me, with 3 revision. And how you will do it? You study now, okay, you do one session now. I'll also recommend you one YouTube channel that are helping me in learning me with the vocabulary, and that has made very easy. That is one YouTube name, that's Aman Trivedi. Very beautifully he has expressed each and every word in its way. You go and search, you will get the thing. Also use help of AI to get into the brain words because it's very difficult to do it. Also make a list of prefix and suffix as I've showed you in my notes. Okay, the notes was very dirty, I know, but I hope you have got into the idea of making notes. And making notes of this book is like vital. It's like very crucial. Okay, you just cannot even ignore this or start with this book. You need patience. And always keep in mind to make your revision first in comparison to your learning new sessions. And also revise it. Okay, and also if possible make small notes in sticky notes, like stick it to your table or stick it to this book like I have did it. And I'm still in a way of exploring much more things, and I will definitely share with you all. Come across new things, and definitely because this book is so much of ocean that I haven't read this book full yet, and there are so many things which is unexplored. And I think that as I will go deep into it, I will get to expose to so many things, and I will definitely share with you all. So this was all for the word power made easy. Please don't ignore this for any sort of exam. This video will helpful for you no matter which exam you're preparing for: SSCGL, CLAT, ALED, CUET. English language is a compulsory subject, and English language is a compulsory subject, so vocabulary is also a part of English, and learning vocabulary is very crucial. It's just a level of patience, it's just a game of patience. Get into it, and also hit the subscribe button. Or for more such content, you comment down me the steps which you wanted. And that's all for the video. Do share it with your friends if someone is preparing for entrance exam, whether it's law, CAT, JE, or anything, UPSC, railway, anything. This book will helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching me.